After exploring gardens by the bay, today we visit the Merlion, colorful streets, and end the night at Lantern Rooftop. Welcome to Singapore, a city where mornings begin with calm bays and historic landmarks, and nights end with glittering skylines and rooftop dining. Today, we'll walk through its iconic spots and wrap up with one of the most magical night experiences, the Lantern Rooftop. The Merlion, Singapore's proud symbol. Half lion, half fish, it tells the story of the city's strength and beginnings. Guarding the bay with pride, the Merlion stands as a timeless icon, a symbol of Singapore's spirit, resilience, and journey from sea to city. Walking through the quiet back streets of Quayside, a hidden escape from the city's buzz. The Parliament House, a place where tradition and governance stand side by side, reminding us how progress is built on the foundations of history. A place that reminds us how deeply Singapore respects both its past and its progress. Multicolored walls glowing under the daylight, adding warmth, vibrancy, and a cheerful spirit to the busy streets. The Treasury, with its blue and white colonial facade, stands as a graceful reminder of Singapore's heritage, even while housing the nation's modern ministries. Amid the city's fast growth, the Treasury's timeless design blends history with governance, a building where Singapore's past and present meet. Every corner bursts with colors that whisper stories of history, keeping old traditions alive in the present. Singapore's heritage shines through these vibrant designs, each building a small piece of the city's colorful soul. Rows of heritage buildings painted in bold shades, each facade a reminder that Singapore's past still breathes through its streets. As night falls, the city transforms. The the Fullerton Hotel glows like a beacon of history and elegance. A grand lobby filled with golden lights and towering columns, a space where history meets elegance the moment you step inside. At Lantern Rooftop, the view is nothing short of breathtaking, the city sparkling below and the sky above. Best time to visit Lantern? Arrive before sunset. You'll witness the city transform from golden hour into a sea of lights. Every moment at Lantern feels like a celebration of beauty in the skyline, of flavors on the table, and of life shared together. The rooftop pool reflects the city's lights, almost like a mirror floating in the sky. Book your table in advance. The best seats with Marina Bay views are always in demand. Fine dining here feels magical. With Marina Bay glowing right in front of you, the view makes every bite even more special. The skyline of Singapore, bold, proud, and glowing brighter with every passing hour. Lantern Rooftop, the Marina Bay night show feels even more surreal. Lights shimmering across the bay, with the city glowing all around. Watching the Marina Bay light show from above turns the skyline into a living painting, every beam reflecting Singapore's vibrant soul. At Lantern Rooftop, the night show isn't just a performance, it's a front row seat to the magic of Singapore under the stars. When the lights begin to dance at Marina Bay, the entire waterfront transforms into a breathtaking spectacle of art and technology. From the calm mornings at Glutfon's Bay to the iconic Merlion, from colorful heritage streets to the shining Marina Bay sands, today's journey showed us the many faces of Singapore. And as night arrived, Lantern Rooftop gave us the perfect ending, a place where the city glows brighter than ever. But our journey doesn't stop here. Coming up next, the vibrant streets of Haji Lane, filled with colors, cafes, and art waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed this adventure, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next chapter. See you at Haji Lane.